Hey, so if your documents are not loading in Canva Docs, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you need to access or edit your content and the page just won't load. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this issue. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable because Canva Docs depends on it to load properly. Next, try refreshing the page or reopening Canva. Yeah, this can fix temporary glitches. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can also help, uh, since corrupted data may cause loading problems. You should disable browser extensions. Yeah, especially ad blockers or script blockers, as they can interfere with Canva. Another useful step is trying a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. Make sure your browser is updated, uh, since outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Logging out and logging back in, yeah, can refresh your session and fix minor bugs. And if nothing works, the issue might be on Canva's servers, so waiting a bit and trying again later can help. So yeah, that's how to fix Canva Docs not loading problems. One of these steps should help you get your documents working again smoothly. Hey, so if